Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good margarita using Jose Cuervo mix. To craft an excellent margarita, begin with top-tier ingredients. Selecting a premium tequila, like Jose Cuervo Especial Gold, is fundamental. Freshly squeezed lime juice is absolutely essential for that bright, zesty kick, and a dash of quality orange liqueur will elevate the overall flavor profile, making your drink truly memorable and delicious. Using Jose Cuervo margarita mix provides a fantastic shortcut to a delicious drink. This convenient mix ensures a perfectly balanced foundation, expertly blending the sweet and sour elements. It takes the guesswork out of measuring multiple ingredients, allowing you to consistently create a great-tasting margarita every time. Plus, it serves as an excellent starting point for your own creative twists. Now, let's mix your perfect margarita. For a classic ratio, combine 2 parts Jose Cuervo margarita mix with 1 part of your chosen tequila. Add a small splash of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors even further. Shake these ingredients vigorously with plenty of ice for about 30 seconds until well chilled. Then, strain your delicious creation into a salt-trimmed glass over fresh ice. Personalizing your margarita is where the fun truly begins. Feel free to experiment with different fruit purees, like mango or passion fruit, for exciting new flavors. A dash of orange liqueur can add an extra layer of complexity and richness. For presentation, garnish with a fresh lime wedge or a vibrant fruit slice. And for those who enjoy a little heat, a chili lime salt rim offers a delightful spicy kick.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.